What we have here is Ford F-Series. Let's see, what year is this thing? Looks like a 1995 Ford F-Series. Big old truck. Has a Cummins diesel in it. Has 301,000 miles. And we'll do a walk around on it. Has this big old box on the back. Pretty much what's going to happen is we're going to take this box off the back and set her on the ground where we could use it as a shed and then sell this blue truck, this F-Series. Now what's going to happen now is he's going to do a cold start on it. He probably hasn't started this thing in about a month, so
10 degrees out here.
We'll see what happens. Alright, you want to give her a little bit of pumpage? Give her a little bit, there we are, a little bit of pumpage. There it is. Fired right up, look at the cloud. Sweet. Sounds like it has air brakes. There my brother is giving the swing a reach around. Looks like he's trying to go up a hill that he can't quite climb. Little pile of dirt. Well, and there it is. Well, this thing died on us. And now it won't start. Give her a little pumpage.
No thanks.
No thanks? Maybe it needs a little prime for a good time. What do you think, Trev?
Oh yeah.
There the motor is. Cummins 12 valve. Does have a turbo on it. So we're gonna figure out what's wrong with this thing. if anyone is curious in buying a cabin chassis, just let me know. Alright, what he's doing now is he's going to give it a little bit of crack. There's a double filter. There it is. A little bit of crack. The crack addict.
Says I got a half tank.
Hold on, let's check it. They have a stick over here just for checking this kind of thing.
Well, let's check with this stick.
Oh yeah, there's plenty of fuel. Give her some pumpage right when it fires. Pump it.
Why isn't it? Because it's not. It's a freaking regulator. It's not a pump.
Wait, there's two tanks, so we need to check this side.
Thing to switch the tanks?
They're both full now. Well, then we've got it running again.